Hi, this is Adrian, and in this video we're going to talk about comparing fractions with the less than or greater than symbol. So first let's review the symbols. This symbol means less than, and remember that the open side of the symbol faces the larger number. So we could write a mathematical sentence, 3 is less than 5, for example, and conversely, 5 is greater than 3. So the open side faces the larger number, or we could make the symbol into a little Pac-Man who likes to eat the larger number. So let's take a look at the steps for comparing fractions. If the denominators are the same, then we just need to compare the numerators. So in this first example, 4/7 compared to 3/7. Well, the denominator 7 is the same, so we just take a look at the numerators. 4 and 3, and 4 is greater than 3. So we know that 4/7 then is greater than 3/7. Here's another example. In this example we have different denominators. If we have different denominators, then what we must do is find the least common denominator and write equivalent fractions with that new denominator. So here we have 7 and 8. So one way of finding the least common denominator would be to list out the multiples of 7 and 8. So multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, and so on. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, and 56. So there we find our least common denominator of 56. So we're going to write equivalent fractions with 56 as the new denominator. So then we take a look and convert from sevenths to 56. Well, what are we multiplying 7 by to get 56? We're multiplying by 8. So we're going to be multiplying by 8 for the numerator. Essentially, we're multiplying by 8 over 8. 4 times 8 is 32. And converting from eighths to 56, we're multiplying by 7 over 7. So we multiply the numerator. 5 times 7 is 35. And now that we have fractions with the same denominator, we can compare them. 32/56 is less than 35/56. So we know that 4/7 then is less than 5/8. So if we have different denominators, we need to find equivalent fractions with the new denominator, and then we can compare the fractions.